Hi everyone! So in today's video I'm going to draw Gojo because I put a story on Instagram saying that which character to draw next and Gojo got the most vote. So let's draw him then. Here I'm starting with the blindfold, just drawing the bottom line first and then I will draw the nose. So everyone, it's an easy tutorial and don't forget to watch till the end and like the video too. And if you are seeing me for the first time, then subscribe my channel because you may not see me again. And also you can go to my Instagram account through description and vote for the next characters. And right now I'm drawing a center line for making the things easy, and now let's draw the nose and then I will be drawing the mouth. I took this picture for drawing because it looked really easy, that it's without the eyes and without drawing the proper lips. And the only difficult thing in this picture is to draw hands, but I will get along with it too and try my best to make it look easy. I just completed the mouth and now I'm going to draw the jawline. And there is one more reason why I chose this picture, because some of the followers wanted me to draw his psychopath laugh and some of them wanted me to draw a fan art of him, so I chose this photo because it was perfect. It has like both. And now it's time to draw the hands, and I decided to draw with a proper structure. I'm not too good with anatomy, but let's just make it look easy and let me try my best. The circles I'm drawing are for the joints because they're something like round, so it would be easy for us to draw the fingers. And similarly draw the next hand too. So after completing the structure, I am now drawing the actual hands. Finally, the hands are complete and they're looking so pretty. And now it's time to draw the hairs. You can draw whatever kind of strands you want to draw. It's really not necessary to follow the reference picture as it is in the case for hairs. But if you do, that's also good. So finally our beautiful sketch is complete and now let's remove it to do the outline. And here I'm using an 8B pencil for doing outline. It's a dark one grade. So finally the outline is complete and now I'm using this 2B pencil for doing this shading. First in the blindfold. After 2B, I'm using a 4B pencil for doing some more shading. And sorry here, camera couldn't bring back focus again. After 4B, let's use a 2H pencil for doing a little more shading in the face. And now let's start the actual shading tutorial by using this grip fight. Let's shade in the blindfold and the jacket with it. After the base is done, let's place this tissue paper over the sketch and now I'm using an 8B pencil to make the structure. The video was actually getting too long, so I put most of it in speed, but still I'm trying to cover everything in short time. So don't mind if I miss anything. I have done some dark areas and now I'm using this sketching razor pen to make shines and like give it a realistic look. And now I'm using a 4H pencil for finishing. And after it, there's a 6B to shade in the mouth. I'm still trying to cover every detail. This is a 2H one, lighter than normal grade. And now I'm using an F grade, which is a little darker than 2H. After making the base with F pencil, now I'm using an HB for detailing. A 2B pencil for the shading in hands. And now a 6B for detailing. And right now, finally, I'm shading in the uniform. Quickly shade it all over where needed according to the reference. And now switching to 4B because at some areas they also need lighter shading. And there's an 8B I'm gonna use, and now I'm not gonna speak much because I'm running out of time to upload the video. So enjoy and learn from the rest. Okay, in the end I'm using this tissue paper to do some shading in the face. And now in the end, let's remove the dirt at empty places. And finally, it's time to do the signature, and let's go to see the final look. And I hope you loved this video, and if you're an anime fan, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for daily anime sketches. This sketch literally took me 3 days to complete. And now bye, wait for the next video.